Good afternoon and good morning. Senior Professor Chia Sampath Amartunga, Chairman, University Grants Commission. Senior Professor Sudanta Liyanage, Vice Chancellor, University of Sri Jayewardenepura. Professor P.D. Nimal, Dean, Faculty of Management Studies and Commerce. Professor Neil Crosby, Professor of Real Estate, University of Reading, United Kingdom. Senior Professor R.G. Arivansar, Department of Estate Management and Valuation. Dr. T.G.U.P. Pereira, Head, Department of Estate Management and Valuation. Retired Professor Mrs. J. Edrisinghe and Dr. Chami Rudavatta, co-chairs of the ICRE May 2021, deans of other faculties, heads of other departments, academic members, collaborative partner representatives, distinguished guests, students, ladies and gentlemen. I am pleased to welcome all of you to the 5th International Conference of Real Estate Management and Valuation, ICREMV 2021, the flagship event of the Department of Estate Management and Valuation, University of Sri Jayewardenepura. I would like to start my welcome speech with a statement of Peter Drucker, a renowned author and management consultant. I quote, "The greatest danger in times of turbulence is not the turbulence. It is to act with yesterday's logic." Unquote. Yes, we are in a turbulence. It is a motion characterized by chaotic changes within socio-economic background of the world. In this context, I believe that the conference themes on timely discussion in the unprecedented period of time that we are facing, COVID-19, has significantly impacted all the aspects of economy of the country and the world, including real estate sector. In this scenario, it is important to be resilient with COVID-19 challenges and adapting to the new normal conditions. So, smart real estate must be an important aspect. The experience and lesson learned as a consequence of COVID-19 and the force moving to remote working will stimulate a comprehensive review of the role of agile working and need for traditional office, home working, and third space. It is evident that pandemic has speeded up the digitization in the real estate market. As an example, use of artificial intelligence, machine learning, data analytics, and cooperation with technology provides to increase market transparency, market efficiency, and ensure survival of the sector. I believe that real estate business should be ready for future challenges and disruption through innovative technology. Within this backdrop, the expectation of increase in smart building technologies that provide less contact in buildings and structure to become a common phenomenon. There are diminishing stores in cities, increased storage areas in the city, and rapidly growing e-commerce marketing. The declining space of public and private institute administrative spaces, decreasing of office demand, increasing in home office or flexible working phenomena may take from the shrinking companies utilizing technology and decreasing employment. However, the bitter truth is that even though people gradually adapting this new normal concept, or in other words, ready to work with COVID-19, we as a real estate specialist, again, I highlighted we as a real estate specialist, are not able to lead the process of preparation of real estate health guidelines to prevent employees, users of real estate from returning to old patterns and behaviors. Even though we notice most of organizations in Sri Lanka redesign their office spaces, detailed plan on cost implication and real estate plan is not evident. Thus, proper evaluation of short-term, mid-term, and long-term corporate real estate plan for hygiene work environment become need for the hour. These plans should focus on how we can reduce cost of real estate and how we can earn revenue from real estate to face challenges in new normal life. In this scenario, there will be an increase in importance of expertise, technology, research consultation on real estate. So this conference will be an excellent platform for discuss on this market gap. I'm confident that the academic discussion on reflection of smart real estate by Senior Professor R.G. Arivansa and keynote on international valuation theory, practice and policy by Professor Neil Crosby, renowned professor of real estate, contribute to this new world order on real estate. In the meantime, we as a premier academic institution of real estate management and valuation in Sri Lanka, I firmly believe that as a real estate profession should be in a part of general media disclosure, and property professional will increasingly be expected to demonstrate breadth of understanding of real estate process. So our industry dialogue, tomorrow's program, and the real estate talk of our conference will excellent for stakeholders and all sector occupiers, regulators, investors, and valuers to develop new global data-led standard for operating buildings. With these remarks, I welcome Professor Sampath Amaratunga, Chairman, University Grants Commission, Sri Lanka. Guest of honors, Senior Professor Sudanta Liyanage, Vice Chancellor, University of Sri Jayawardenepura. Professor P.D. Nimal, Dean, Faculty of Management Studies and Commerce, University of Sri Jayawardenepura. And we also honored to have Professor Neil Crosby, Professor of Real Estate, Department of Real Estate and Planning, University of Reading, United Kingdom, as the keynote speaker of the conference. Also, warmly welcome the plenary session speakers, Dr. Shanaka Herath, University of Technology, Sydney, Australia, and Dr. Kanjani Buddhimati, King Mogut University of Technology, Thonburi, Thailand. Also, I welcome heads of all our collaborative partners, Mrs. Pushpa Muthukumarana, Chief Valuer, Government Valuation Department, Planner Prasad Ranavira, Director General, Urban Development Authority, Mrs. Rohini Disanayaka, Municipal Commissioner, Colombo Municipal Council, Mr. A.M. Fatihu, President, Institute of Valuers of Sri Lanka, Mr. Srihan Bura, Chairman, Royal Institute of Chartered Surveyors, Sri Lanka. And then I would like to welcome panel members, paper presenters, and session chairs of the academic session. Not only that, with a great pleasure, I welcome panel members of the industry dialogue, Mr. P.W. Senaratna, former government chief valuer, Mr. D. Pratap Singh, Secretary RICS Sri Lanka, Mrs. Bhagya Mahavitanage, Deputy Director, Sri Lanka Tourist Development Authority, Mr. Kushan Patiraja, Director Finance, Cinnamon Life Integrated Resort, and finally, I would like to welcome panel members of the industry dialogue, real estate talk, Architect Russell Dandenia, President, Sri Lanka Institute of Architects, Mr. Namal Piris, Chief Operating Officer, International Construction Consortium, Private Limited, Mrs. Yamuna Jayaratna, Director Sales and Marketing, Port City, Colombo, Planner EAC Priyashanta, Deputy Director General, Real Estate, Urban Development Authority, and Dr. Mrs. Nishani Vikramarchi, Senior Lecturer, Department of Estate Management and Valuation, who join with us, distinguished panel members of the Real Estate Talk. So, ICRE May 2021, ready to open. Looking forward to see you all at the conference session with great exchange of ideas, insights, and lessons for real estate specialists, valuers, and other professionals. Challenging is inevitable. Think flexible and drive for change that we need to do. So, welcome for the 5th episode of International Conference of Real Estate Management and Valuation 2021. Thank you.